Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Intercom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Intercom in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Intercom website link in the search results. Once on the Intercom homepage, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required fields with your email address and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Intercom. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. After confirming your email, return to the Intercom website. Log in using your email address and password. Once logged in, you can explore the features offered by Intercom. Review the available plans carefully. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the Get Started button for your chosen plan. Enter any necessary payment information. Confirm your order to complete the subscription process. You will receive a confirmation of your subscription via email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.